That's Dr. Martin Luther King. 2023, we're going to keep the dream alive. I applied for Martin Luther King's job. A lot of people say it's far-fetched and shouldn't be done, but somebody got to do it. We ain't got no more Martins. We got self-serving demigods. We only got activists that do this shit for money. I do this shit for change. That's my mother and my father. All right? That's my mother and my father. And that's the Weaver Association. I'm the 2021 Weaver Award winner. Weaving the social fabric in Baltimore. All right? That's Kiefer Mitchell. That's Senator Smith. That's Tessa from the NAACP. That's Ricky Spector. All right? And that's me in the Ravens locker room. All right? Free Keith Davis. I'm an activist in Baltimore. I'm a cook. And that's Whitey. That's Governor Westmore. And in 2023, I need exoneration or we going to the Supreme Court. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. That's my whistleblower's complaint. All right? And I asked to go to the Supreme Court, a writ of certiorari. That's the letter to Westmore. And this is me. Shorty's Underground Ribs and Catering. I've been established since 1998. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. I'm a business owner. And I own all parts of me. You see that? I'm the chairman on the board. I'm the president. I'm the treasurer. I'm the secretary. I got one vacancy, and that position ain't been filled. That's the United States Supreme Court, 2007. I told y'all I was making a documentary, Davis versus Illinois. It's about the war on drugs, and they told me to file a writ of certiorari. All right? A meritorious case to bring in front of a court. That's March 27, 2000. That's Governor Westmore. All right? And these are the cases. I want to be exonerated. All right, we're going to go to the Supreme Court with a writ of certiorari. Dwayne G. Davis, Shorty, N62528. We're going to mic check that one. That's Governor Larry Hogan, Speaker Jones, Senator Ferguson, Delegate Smith, Attorney General Anthony Brown, Eric Barron, Mayor Brandon Scott, Scott Shellenberger, Ivan Bates, Justice Mary Barbera, Judge Carrion, Judge Cox, the clerk of the court, and Bernard Bell, the Secret Service. Because y'all have sent the Secret Service to my house. Never mess with a black man's mother. All right? All this is going to Governor Westmore, so we don't have no misunderstandings. I'm Shorty's. Like I said, I've been established since 1998. I'm a businessman, and I'm going to handle my business, man. That's Governor Schaefer, all right? And that's my store on Falls Road when I started at Green Spring Station, 1998. And that's Thurgood Marshall. And I'm going to court about my property. Y'all called me a terrorist. I'm an activist. Activism isn't against the law. It's a legal notice. I'm also a lawyer, a jailhouse lawyer. I contacted the city, county, state, and federal levels. State of Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. I never got a trial. I never got a trial. Y'all destroyed evidence in Illinois and in Maryland to shield this. I never got a trial. It's a legal notice. That's Governor O'Malley, Governor Quinn, Attorney General, and President Barack Obama. That's a notice of a hearing, 2009, long before y'all locked me up in 2011. It's like letters from a Birmingham jail. We done do it again. That's the 9th Judicial Circuit, all right? Dwayne G. Davis, 1402 Lochner, September 2010. People versus State of Illinois. Like I said, I never got a trial. I need a trial. I'm not Emmett Till. I'm not Jesse Smollett. I'm not Freddie Gray. I'm not Tyrone West. I'm alive and breathing, and I never got a trial. I was falsely accused. So whistleblower and corruption in Maryland's courts. This is my email and request for whistleblower's protection by the state office of the public defender. All right? See who got that? That's the public defender's office. So we don't have no misunderstandings. Respectfully submitted. Political prisoner. That's my Illinois number and my Department of Justice ID number. I'm the founding member of the Baltimore block. I'm an activist. See the date? January 4th, 2023. All right? Grand jury, criminal charges. And these are your elected officials. Like I said, we had the 2023 session, and nobody wanted to address this. I was making a movie about Baltimore. My First Amendment, Letters Design, Get Shorty, Baltimore Rewired. And that's my Department of Justice number. Contact Eric Barron. He got everything. So does Xavier Conway. I just refiled my paperwork. That's a movie release. Shorty documentary. Rob Fix and Glenn Nelson. Producer. Shorty documentary. There goes your media. Brent Jones, Baltimore Sun, ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox 45. And y'all see me shutting Fox 45 down. That's Charles Gibson's from World News Tonight. That's how long I've been doing it. That's the state prosecutor's office, because y'all been shielding this corruption. That's Brian Baith. He ain't here no more. He died last year. That's the treasurer of my campaign. So like I said, we have a cup of coffee with Shorty. We're going to tell the truth and shame the devil. That's Westmore. That's Martin Luther King. And this is my book. That's my family. Y'all stole me from my family. Y'all took me from my community. You feel me? You took me from my community. I'm a whistleblower in the courts behind the war on drugs, N62528. Keeping the dream alive, then and now. The war on drugs is a war on the black community. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and you making us the cash crop. I remember what they did in '68. I was throwing rocks at police then. I'm throwing rocks at police now.